Hi everybody, today we're going to be doing this look. Hope you like it. It's super purpley eyes and nude lips. Used my new Morphe palette, just broke it out today. This is the 9C Jewel Crew. And we broke out the Python Provoked by Maybelline. You can see some different new products I was trying out. And hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment below. I respond to everything. So thanks for watching and let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to go through and swatch each thing. This is a rich girl. It didn't wipe off as much as I thought it would be. I thought it would be kind of darker. This is Stone Fox. Let me wipe that off. Maybe it just isn't so pale. Let me try this. This is Flex. That's pretty. Maybe if I do it with like a brush, words, This is Chocolate Diamond. Yeah, that seems to work better. Here, let me go back over the other ones. That's Rich Girl. Yeah, you need to use a brush, my bad. That's Rich Girl, Stone Fox. And then Flex. I guess that one is what it is. Then Chocolate Diamond. That's really pretty brown. There's Hidden Gem. More of a plummy color. Fool's Gold. I was really excited about this color. If it'll even wipe off. What the heck? Oh no, that didn't come off very good. That's a bummer. Let me clean off my brush better. Okay. Fool's Gold. Purple Rain. It's a really pretty purple color. The shimmery ones aren't showing up as good though, I've noticed. Then we've got Rose Quartz. And the last one is Rock Out. It's very bold. Anyway, this is a swatch. This is what the palette looks like. Whoa, don't close. So, yeah. Some show up darker than others, but overall I'd say it's well worth it. It's 12 bucks for all of this goodness. So, anyway, we'll do Purple Rain and Rich Girl. So that's Rich Girl and Purple Rain. I'm gonna get a different brush though. Yeah, we'll use this guy. I'm going to start with the Purple Rain, which was a sparkly color. I can get it to come up. It's really pretty. It's definitely very light, but oops, pretty pigmented, considering. That's like a pretty springy color, if we ever get spring. That is. Okay, now I'm going to go on with this guy, and we're going to do Rich Girl, which is a darker purple color. This is a very deep purple. I think I'm going to put the Purple Rain color underneath, not in the bottom of our lash line. Purple is one of those colors that is just really good on everybody. It brings out everybody's eye color. Cool. just dropped something. I have this. I think this is a color. Ultra Orchid. I'm going to use that for eyeliner. Where'd you go? Where's your name? Who are you? I don't know. Maybe you can't see it. This is from Starlooks, and it's like a, I guess I'm going to need to sharpen it really quick. It's like a purpley, sparkly color. That would be pretty. I'm going to do my lower lash line. It's like getting stuck in my eyelashes. Okay. Then we need a curl. These eyelashes are the Kiss eyelashes. I'll show you in a second. I like buying the packs of them. Flirty, I think. Yeah, Flirty is the style. Like $10 for 5 pairs of them. Not bad. I'm going to use Tarte mascara. I like extra powder. Then we're going to use Becca Moonstone for highlighter. Then lip stuff. What lip stuff? Maybe nude lip stuff. I have the Maybelline Python kits. I bought a couple of them. We'll do the nude one just because we've got some darker eyes going on. This one, which one is it? Provoked. That's the name of this one. Yeah, it's almost kind of a plummy color, actually. Now for the shimmer. Hello! Thank you for viewing my video. I just did this face with this palette. Well, not my whole face, my eyes. This is the 9C Jewel palette, and I think you'll really like it. It's kind of a cool springy looking palette. And we did some Python action with some Maybelline. And we did lots of cool stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. For those of you who have, thank you. Couldn't do all this without you guys. So